Good evening, everyone. We are going to study Rain on the Roof. Okay, it is written by the person called Skinny. Stanza number 1. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weaves in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Okay, so its explanation. In these lines, the poet describes a rainy night. The poet says that the stars in the sky are not visible as they are covered by the dark rainy clouds. The sky looks sad and the rain looks like tears. This weather represents the post sorrowful mood. In such a mood, the only thing that can bring joy in the poet's heart is to lay his head down on the pillow. Heart is to lay his head down on the pillow of this cottage and listening to the soft sound of the rain falling on the roof. Stanza number 2. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start, and a thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Stanza number 2 explanation. In these lines, the poet now describes how the raindrops make a tinkling sound as they fall on the tiled rooftop of his cottage. According to the poet, each sound made by the rain affects the poet's heart deeply. As he is listening to the sound, many images come into his mind. He starts recollections, many memories of his childhood. These memories appear to be interwoven together to form a beautiful picture. Okay. Stanza number 3. In these lines, the poet says uh, that uh, stanza number 3, I had started the explanation only, but I need to say the stanza number 3. That what it is written in the book. Okay. So now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Okay. So the explanation. In these lines, the poet says that out of the many memories the poet recollects, he identifies one found memory of his mother. He remembers how many years ago his mother used to look at him and his sibling lovingly while they slept and used to dream. She would look at her sleeping children every night because she knew she will not see them till the next morning. The poet can still feel the look of his mother while he lays on his bed and listening to the soft musical sound of the rain falling on the roof. Okay. It is written by the person Coates Kinney. Poet is Coates Kinney. So video has got over.